Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This Belvedere Kingston house is situated on 2 acres or approximately 87,930 square feet of land with panoramic view of the hills. This property has 4 units. Top floor consists of 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Second floor is comprised of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom unit. The other has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Ground floor has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. In total, this house has 12 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. There is also a 3-car garage and it's a 8-minute drive from the bottom of Red Hills. Other features of this house includes porcelain tile, water tank, grilled, view of the mountain, hillside, and quiet area. The current price of this house is US 575,000 or Jamaican $89 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.